Not everyone who smiles with you is your friend. That the one who stays during your darkest moment is the one who truly matters. Have you ever noticed that life becomes lighter and the right people stand beside you? Not the loudest people, not the richest, not the people who only appear when everything is easy, but the ones who stay when life becomes difficult. Those are true friends. A true friend is not someone who walks ahead of you to show power, and not someone who walks behind you waiting for your failure. A true friend walks beside you, especially when the road becomes dark. In life, many people will enter your story. Some will come for a season, some for convenience, and some only for benefit. But a real friend is rare. They are the person who sees your broken moments and still chooses to stay. They know your weaknesses, your fears, your failures, yet they never use them against you. Sometimes, life tests us through loneliness. There are moments when we feel abandoned, misunderstood, or invisible. In those moments, one sincere friend can become a source of strength greater than money, status, or success. Because genuine friendship is not built on perfection. It is built on loyalty, honesty, and presence. A true friend reminds you who you are when you begin to doubt yourself. When you fail, they encourage you to stand again. When the world criticizes you, they speak truth with kindness. And when success finally comes into your life, they celebrate without jealousy. But friendship is not only about finding good people. It is also about becoming one. Be the friend who listens. Be the friend who protects trust. Be the friend who supports others even when nobody is watching. In a world full of temporary connections, become someone whose loyalty feels permanent. Remember this, life is too short to chase fake relationships. Some people only call you when they need something. Some disappear when your value disappears. Do not be afraid to let those people go. Protect your peace, protect your heart. Real friendship does not drain your energy, it gives you strength to continue. And never underestimate the power of one loyal friend. One honest conversation can heal a tired soul. One moment of support can change someone's entire life. Sometimes, the reason people keep fighting is because one friend believed in them when nobody else did. As the years pass, success, money, and achievements may come and go. That the memories created with true friends become treasures that remain in the heart forever. The laughter during hard times, the silent support during pain, the encouragement during failure, these moments become part of our strength. So appreciate the real people in your life. Send the message, make the call, say thank you. Because true friendship is one of the greatest gifts life can ever give. And if you are lucky enough to add even one true friend, then you are already richer than many people in this world.